Rack it up, I gotta build up the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Danny. The name of this video is The Hunt for the Switch 2. This might be a short hunt, though. I just checked the Target app, and the Target near me has the Switch 2 bundle in stock with Mario Kart, according to the app. I couldn't buy it on the app. It says purchase in store or something like that. So we're gonna head there now. And yes, I did buy this shirt for this day. I love it. It's a brand new Super Mario shirt. But yeah, let's go get the Switch 2. There's a power outage. This is weird. Actual power outage. How do I buy stuff? It's crazy. I don't know. I don't see anything in the case, but they may have it in the back. I'm gonna have to ask somebody. I'm still calling this the hunt for the Nintendo Switch 2. First store had it. Dude, I got a brief clip. Did you see all the Switches they had? All those boxes were all Nintendo Switches. They had both the bundle and not the bundle. So I got the bundle. I got the bundle. So I saved $30 on Mario Kart, which is great because I didn't want to pay more than $50. Despite me wanting a physical copy, I really don't want it that bad. But I got a Nintendo Switch 2. First store, first try. There's a power outage in the whole city of Mission, which is, I wondered if it would be, and I'll tell you why. Is because on the way here, there are 2 stoplights, right? From my house to this Target, there are 2 stoplights, and they were both out. So people, you know, when stoplights are out on all sides, people just do the start and stopping like a stop sign. And so one intersection had a cop, and one did not. So sure enough, walking to Target, and I'm instantly brought back to when I worked at this Target in 2006, which I did. Fun fact, I used to work at this Target full-time in the electronics area, which looked way different than it does now. 20 years ago. I'm getting old, guys. I used to work at this Target 20 years ago. That's crazy. I was a teenager in high school. Anyway, Switch 2 time. Let's go home. I'm tired of talking. Okay. Okay, here we are. Look at it. And I got the printed version. There are some versions of the Switch 2 that have a sticker. But this has the printed art on it, and I love that. So I'm excited. I can't believe how quick. This is supposed to be an all-date thing, guys. I was going to make like a mini vlog on finding a Switch 2. First store, they had it. And shout out to the Target app. I had never seen it in stock before on the app. It says, in fact, I'll show the screenshot. It says in stock, purchase, or purchase, pick up to purchase, something like that. Yeah, basically you have to purchase in person. But as you saw, despite the power outage, they had a cage full of these things, both with Mario Kart and without Mario Kart. So I had the option. I was like, let me go and get the download, save $30. I don't want to pay $80 for Mario Kart. Mario Kart's okay. It's not my favorite though. It's definitely not worth $80 in my opinion. So here we are. Here it is. I've never touched the Switch 2 ever from anyone. Like, I never held it in person. Like, I've been waiting for this day to actually touch the Switch 2. These are definitely bigger. I feel good. It's that Nintendo quality, you know. Here's the actual Switch. And I didn't buy any Pro Controller or memory cards. I'm gonna do that later today. I just wanted to get home, get this unboxed, get it set up, and then go get the other stuff while it's setting up. Because it's gonna take a while. So HDMI cable. We got the joystick. We got the Joy-Con grippers. I don't know what you call them. Shout out to Michael Pacheco. He also has this version of the Switch, and he couldn't find Mario Kart, and I don't see it either. But it's got to be in there. Where would it be? Maybe in the manuals or whatever. But there's the new Joy-Con grip, which I never use. USB-C power cable adapter, and here's the power cable itself. And here's the dock. There. Look at that, guys. Isn't that nice? Thick. Very thick. So, I'm excited. Yeah, I don't see a code for the game. Michael's code was on the side. On the right side of his box. Mine's probably in the paperwork. Where did I put the paperwork? Is it in here? Yeah. I don't see it. Maybe it just downloads when you turn it on. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see a code anywhere. Anyway, let's just. Okay, it looks like as soon as you sign in, it realizes that you bought Switch 2 with Mario Kart, and it says it will be downloaded. Simple as that. So no code in the box for this one, which is no big deal. Love that. All right, that's okay. I'll worry about that later. Yeah, first time doing this. Ooh. That feels good. That feels really good. This is a big handheld. Alright. Power it on. It says Nintendo. The speaker sounds so good. There it is. I love that music. English US, the Americas, accept license agreement, which means I probably agreed to something that I normally wouldn't like how you don't really own the Switch 2, but it is what it is. That's a whole video in itself I'm not going to get into. There's my internet. Alright, I am... Chicago is closest to me, so UTC -5. Or -5, whatever. Alright, it wants me to detach the Joy-Con. There it is. That is nice. Easy. Okay. Let me pull the stand out. Amazing build quality. Honestly, the stand is solid. Everything's solid. Okay, downloading updated data. Real quick, let's just do this just to try it. I'm never gonna use this thing. That is nice though. It's comfortable, but I can never play like this very long. Just the I don't know, the grip, I guess is what it's called. It's just always been cramped to me. So here's how it's most likely going to be. These are going to stay on the Switch most of the time. This is how I am. I'm going to have the Pro Controller for almost everything. So Pro Controller is definitely the first thing I would be getting, followed by another dock, because this dock is going to go probably on the stream setup, and the second dock will go on the TV behind my stream setup that you normally see in the background. But I don't want to stream the Switch 2. But you can expect a lot of me streaming the Switch 2, to be honest with you. Alright guys, that's really it. I'm going to let this thing set up, transfer my data, and all that. And I'm going to go ahead and get started on editing this video. Thank you all so much for watching. very quick hunt. The quickest hunt probably on YouTube. First store had it. And anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you all so much for watching. And I do appreciate my supporters. Shout out to all the members, all the gold members, all the silver members, and all the bronze members. You guys are all amazing, and you guys allow me to buy stuff like this. So I thank you so much. And I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.